Right.
I have that thing turned on because it's freezing in the newsroom. Not today.
I know. We're underground. We're in the basement, so you'd think we'd be cool, but it's actually pretty warm in here even today. We're on our way into the 90s later on this afternoon. So mostly sunny skies and a heat advisory in effect all the way through today and tomorrow. 96 degrees the high out at the airport, and 97 is where we'll wind up in downtown Portland. Also a warm night ahead, so pretty uncomfortable sleeping weather if you don't have air conditioning. Cooling down into the mid to upper 60s very early tomorrow morning. I think we're going to be in the 80s all the way through the 9 o'clock hour tonight. It's 80 degrees already in Eastmoreland, 82 in Beaverton and Garden Home, 86 in Gresham. So a very toasty afternoon inland, not so much out at the coast where we do have clouds in Astoria still, 72 in Tillamook where we've seen a little more clearing, 80s and 90s through the gorge, 90 degrees in the Dalles. We're on our way into the hundreds there. 78 degrees. It's Alties on the Columbia. Look at all the blue skies. I can show you blue skies from right there near Vancouver to Lake Oswego High School where it's 80 degrees and down in McMinnville 81. Check out the contrast here. The Tolovana Inn still in the clouds, but lots of people out at the beach enjoying maybe nature's air conditioning compared to inland. You can see those clouds here on satellite imagery. You can also see thunderstorms that formed very early this morning. They climbed up the Cascades, moving from south to north, and they're pretty much out of our hair now. Can't rule out a few more isolated thunderstorms east of the Cascades or over the mountains later on today. I had to show you the sunrise from this morning. Look at all the debris clouds from those thunderstorms. We'll put this into action. And doesn't the sunrise have hot weather written all over it? I thought to myself, I didn't even need to be a forecaster this morning to see that and know it was going to be a hot day. So high pressure is locked in place, and as a result, hot weather bubbling up from the south. On Friday, our high was 92 degrees. Didn't get the record that day. Our record high for Friday, 100. 88 is where we topped out on Saturday. The record that day, 97. And yesterday we were 97, but the record 100. And then today, I don't think we're going to be in record territory because our record is 105 degrees. And I think you and I can agree that's not a number that we want to get to later on this afternoon. So 97 degrees downtown, another sunny day, very hot by afternoon. And some could argue it's already hot out there. 96 degrees is where we'll end up in Beaverton and 97 in Clackamas. Moving up north, 96 ought to do it in Salmon Creek and 93 in Scappoose. 60s and 70s out along the coast with gradual clearing, sunny and hot inland. East of the Cascades, maybe an isolated thunderstorm and showers. Hot weather, triple digits for Pendleton, the Dalles, and Burns this afternoon. Through the gorge, temperatures near 100 degrees with the chance of a thunderstorm, but I think really that chance has come and gone, and we saw a thunderstorm earlier this morning in Hood River and right over the top of Mount Hood. So here's your 7-day forecast. 96 degrees tomorrow, about as hot as today, mostly sunny skies. On Wednesday, still unusually warm, but not quite as hot as we've been. And then the 4th of July, we're really starting to cool down. So about 83 degrees for the holiday, which is perfect weather in my book.
Yes.
And then morning clouds, afternoon sunshine Friday and Saturday with cooler, more summery type weather.
Isn't it funny, like a week ago we would have thought 83 was so hot, and now it's we're near 100.
We've really cranked the heat, and it
really
was just
have.
amazing how quickly that switch was flipped.
I know. I can tell because my hair is melting indoors too. Oh.